welcome to Duck Duck Goose.
Today we are going to make a delicious Kerala recipe,
Jackfruit halwa.
The ingredients are 1 jackfruit, ghee, jaggery. Cut the jackfruit. Deseed the jackfruit. Put the jackfruit into a cooker, add little water and pressure cook the cooker. Allow 3 to 4 whistles. Prepare the fire. Heat a pan and add the jackfruit paste. Keep on stirring. Add a little water to the jaggery. Keep it on the stove. Add the strained jaggery juice into the jackfruit paste. Keep on stirring. Add ghee. Stir it well. The jackfruit halwa is ready.